Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily create a YouTube subscribe link and how to use it to get more subscribers to your channel. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Now, if you're new to my YouTube channel, go ahead and slap that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos I may upload during the week. I show part-time entrepreneurs how to market and make money online. So if you're curious about making money online, look at my link in my description about my #1 recommended program for part-time entrepreneurs. So now that we got that out of the way, let's get into the meat and potatoes of this video. So you're looking at this video because you're trying to figure out how to create a subscribe link for your YouTube channel. Because here's what's going to happen when you do that. It's going to do a couple of things. It's going to get you more subscribers. It's going to get you more eyeballs to your video, but it's also going to get you more leads and possibly more sales if you're promoting a business or some type of program leveraging YouTube. All right, so let's go ahead and dive into the content so you can go ahead and create a subscribe link by the end of this video. So if you're looking at your YouTube channel right now, the first thing you want to do is come to your logo, right? And then you want to come down to where it says setting. Once you click setting, you're going to go to where it says view event setting. And once you click that, it's going to take you to your custom URL. So basically what you want to do next is copy your custom URL. You want to come up to the browser, you want to paste it, and it's basically going to take you right back to your YouTube channel. But here's where the magic comes in. Here's how you create that subscribe link for your YouTube channel. So you're going to put this little piece of code on the back of your URL that you copied and pasted in the browser. So I come here, right? I want to paste it. And next thing I want to do is hit enter, and this is basically what's going to happen. It's going to bring up a pop-up that says, hey, do you want to subscribe to Sean's channel? Click subscribe or cancel. Basically, that's pretty much it. It's an easy way of sharing people your YouTube channel outside of YouTube, where it instantly asks them to subscribe to your channel. Now, because this link looks real long and not so attractive, if you want to shorten it, basically what you can do, you can copy this, right? And then you can go to a website called Bitly, and I already got it in the search box. You click here, and basically you come here, shorten your link, you paste it here, you click shorten, and it basically did it. You copy, and here's going to be the link that I'm going to share with people when I'm promoting my YouTube channel on other platforms outside of YouTube, or even on YouTube as you share the link in your descriptions, right? So basically what happens, you share that link, they click it, and it's going to basically bring them right back to the same exact page that you saw earlier. So that's it, guys. Easy peasy, 1, 2, 3 easy, or lemon squeezy as my son say. Nothing hard, real simple, and anybody can do it. Now, if you wanted to look a little bit more attractive, right? If you wanted to look like this, where I got subscribed to Sean's channel, right? Basically what you want to do is come to Bitly, right? Come back to Bitly, and they have a paid version. You can get the paid version where you can brand your links that you're using over social media. So hey guys, that's it. A real simple video. Just want to help you, show you how to create a subscribe link for your YouTube channel. Had a lot of people ask me, so I say, hey, why not just cut a video so they can understand it and then go out and use it in their business. So that's pretty much it. I hope you liked the video. Until next time, peace and hair grease. Take care.